The science behind why spicy food burns, but you keep eating it. Narrator style, curious, engaging, science documentary voice. Female. Have you ever eaten something so spicy that your eyes watered, your nose ran, and you immediately reached for a drink, only to take another bite seconds later? It's one of the strangest things humans do. Why would anyone willingly eat food that literally feels painful? As it turns out, spicy food isn't actually hot at all. Your brain is being tricked, and the science behind it is far more fascinating than most people realize. What makes food spicy? The secret ingredient is a chemical called capsaicin. Capsaicin is found naturally in chili peppers. The hotter the pepper, the more capsaicin it contains. But here's where things get weird. Capsaicin doesn't actually burn your mouth. There is no fire, no heat, no physical burning. Instead, capsaicin tricks special nerve receptors called TRPV1 receptors. These receptors normally detect dangerous heat. Their job is to warn your brain when something is hot enough to damage your body. When capsaicin touches these receptors, they send an emergency message to your brain. The message? Something is burning your mouth, even though nothing actually is. Your brain believes the warning, and suddenly, your mouth feels like it's on fire. Once your brain receives that signal, it launches a full response. Your face gets warm, your heart rate increases, you start sweating. Your eyes may water, your nose may run. Some people even get hiccups. From your body's perspective, an emergency is happening. It's trying to cool you down and protect you. The funny thing? The danger isn't real. The pepper simply hacked your nervous system. If spicy food feels painful, why do millions of people love it? The answer lies in your brain. When your brain thinks you're experiencing pain, it releases chemicals called endorphins. Endorphins are natural painkillers. They're the same chemicals released during exercise, excitement, and certain thrilling experiences. Your brain is essentially saying, "Something hurts, let's help." Those endorphins create feelings of pleasure, excitement, and even mild euphoria. So while one part of your brain says, "This is painful," another part says, "This feels amazing." That's why many spicy food lovers describe the experience as addictive. They're chasing the reward that comes after the burn. Why? Some people love spice more than others. Not everyone experiences spicy food the same way. Part of it comes down to genetics. Some people naturally have more sensitive heat receptors. Others have receptors that don't react as strongly. Culture also plays a huge role. People who grow up eating spicy foods often develop a higher tolerance. Over time, repeated exposure can make the burn feel less intense. What once seemed unbearable can eventually feel normal. And what feels normal today may lead someone to seek even hotter foods tomorrow. The thrill seeker connection. Researchers have discovered something interesting. People who enjoy spicy foods often score higher on measures of sensation-seeking behavior. In simple terms, they enjoy excitement. Spicy food creates a safe form of risk. Your brain experiences the thrill of danger without any actual danger. It's similar to riding a roller coaster. You know you're safe, but your body still experiences the excitement. For some people, that's incredibly enjoyable. Why water doesn't help? Ever notice that drinking water after spicy food often makes things worse? That's because capsaicin is oil-based. Water and oil don't mix very well. Instead of washing the capsaicin away, water often spreads it around your mouth. That's why milk tends to work much better. Milk contains a protein called casein. Casein helps break apart capsaicin molecules and remove them from your mouth. So next time a pepper feels too hot, skip the water and grab some milk. The hottest peppers on Earth. Humans have become so fascinated by spice that they've created peppers far hotter than nature originally intended. Peppers like the Carolina Reaper and Pepper X contain enormous amounts of capsaicin. They're so intense that many people experience sweating, tears, coughing, and even temporary dizziness. Yet people line up to try them. Why? Because for some, the challenge is part of the fun. It's a test of endurance, bravery, and tolerance. And for spice lovers, conquering an incredibly hot pepper can feel like an achievement. The next time your mouth feels like it's on fire from spicy food, remember, nothing is actually burning. Capsaicin is simply tricking your brain into thinking heat is present. Your body responds with alarms, your brain responds with rewards, and together they create one of the strangest and most enjoyable food experiences on Earth. What's the spiciest food you've ever eaten? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy strange food science, surprising food history, and fascinating facts hiding in everyday meals, be sure to subscribe to Food Curiosity Lab for more videos every week.